If you have a property inside of a trust, the trust is not generating any income and you don't have any money inside of the trust to pay for the bills for that property, how do you handle that? And so typically the way you would handle it is the trustee has to figure out a way for the property to generate income. So if you have a house, it would be renting that property out. If you have a farm, it would be leasing out that property. Ideas like that, wherever you feel comfortable doing. Now, if the property cannot generate any money, then the beneficiaries would be the ones that would need to be paying in. So let's say you have a mortgage on property that needs to be paid, but the trust doesn't generate any money and there's no money inside of the trust to make those payments. Then the beneficiaries would be responsible for making those payments. The problem we have seen is that if the trust does not generate any money, it has no money, and the beneficiaries do not put any money in, you will foreclose on that property. And if the trustee doesn't have the ability to sell that property to avoid foreclosure and pay off those debts, then that property will just be lost completely because no one can make any payments on it. If you want help setting up a trust and you use one of ours, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we will do probate for free. Click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.